take a look at this place. It is quite spectacular. Oh my God, this is hands down the best airport I've been to in my life. I have a special announcement to make. Guys, let me show you something now. I have lived in China for 14 years, right? And it still impresses me and shocks me every single day. For example, I've just come from down there. Down there is Beijing Daxing International Airport. We had a little layover flight, and so we booked an airport hotel. Now, this may just be the greatest airport hotel I have ever seen in my life. It is called Mumian Hotel, right? We're heading in now. Just look at these grand, majestic doors. It's got an actual, this is not just for display, there's an actual library at the entrance. Now let me just tell you something that's even more impressive about this. When you arrive at the airport, you don't even have to go outside. You just walk through there, straight to the hotel. Super convenient. It's got a gym, swimming pool, like a little library bookstore there. Lovely staff, ni hao. And it's about 600 RMB. It's a bargain. Now, not only do we, in the West, in the UK, in the US, we don't have airport hotels that look like this. This is the lobby, right? We've got nothing like this, and even if we do, it'll be triple, quadruple the price. And let me tell you something else. This is not an ad, by the way, so Mumian Hotel, you now owe me one big time. I will accept free stays for life as a reward for doing this video for free for you guys, giving you millions of views exposure. Right, also, let me show you the room, okay? Because, like I was saying, this is an airport hotel, so you know the airport trolley? You can actually wheel it. Oh. Thanks, ba. Hey, Jimmy guy.
I'm Jimmy Car.
Deja, I got film something. You're having a poo?
Jimmy Car.
Jiao's having a poo. Right, hold on. Hold on, we've got to retake this part. Jiao's having a poo, everyone. Right, anyway.
We're filming all the days.
We're filming all the days?
No, open it. Open it.
Right, anyway. Oh, the smell. The smell. The smell. The smell is breathtaking. It's stinky?
Yeah.
It's stinky.
It's stinky like a fart.
Right, anyway. Just having a poo there. Just ignore there.
It's stinkier than the sewage.
Stinkier than sewage. Right, anyway. And also, you see this trolley. You can wheel the airport trolley with all your suitcases in directly to your room. I've never seen that before. I can bring a trolley to the room. What do you think, Lincoln?
I'm going to lift you to the sky.
Absolutely lovely, nice, spacious room. Shower, sink there. You know, it's an absolute bargain for this price. Even just as a standalone hotel, not an airport hotel, this is better than what we have in the West. Right, anyway, enough yapping. Let's go check out Beijing Daxing. Let's go. Megan, what do you think?
I think I'm going to poo on the floor and then...
Because usually airport hotels, well, the ones that I've stayed at before, they're just like a tiny little box room. Sometimes you don't even have a window. And they're just super expensive and not good at all. But this one, I've never seen like anything like this before. And then when you come out of the hotel, you can also take the little buggy if you want. And also, just down there, there's a Family Mart and a Starbucks. Pick up a coffee. Super Super convenient. Just look at this. Absolutely lovely. It's not busy. There's no weird, strange people loitering around. There's no homeless. If this was the West, there'd be filth, and there'd be people laying out on the floor, just living here, claiming it as their home because they're homeless or addicted to substances. But here in China, no. Lovely, peaceful little tunnel that just goes directly to the hotel. Lovely, absolutely lovely. China leaves me speechless, dumbfounded. Every day that I live here, for 14 years. I'm still getting shocked every day. I'm so shocked, I've left Lincoln and wifey. Hurry up! We've got a flight to catch. Where are we going? Right, now let's head to the airport and let's see where we're going. And if you've never seen Beijing Daxing International Airport, then just take a look at this place right now. Okay, I'm gonna stop yapping and I'm gonna show you. Let's go. Look at this. They've got a robot over here, right? Makes you a coffee. Robot coffee. Robot coffee. I think we may just be in the future. Now look at this. You see the sign there? It just says terminal, which may confuse some people. Because here there is only one terminal. Oh my God, where all these people just suddenly came from? Oh, you go first. Okay. Let's be polite and let everyone through. I'm in no rush. Are we on the wrong side? I don't think there's any side. Okay. Look at this. This is the tunnel kind of thing that I was talking about. It's just so convenient. I don't remember how many times I've said it in this video, but it's just so super convenient. Look at all these people just enjoying the convenience of this. You know, and a lot of Chinese people, they might watch this and think, oh, that's not a big deal, because Chinese people, they've got so used to China's insane infrastructure. Let me tell you, don't take it for granted, because when you travel to the West or to the UK, to the US, we don't have this kind of convenience. So don't take it for granted, guys. If you're a Chinese person, just wake up every day smiling like I do. Because this convenience is on another level. Look at this, in the lift, you don't have buttons. It's just a screen. And you just press the buttons with ease. Wow, just take a look at that. I mean, I've been here probably 5 times, 6 times, 7 times, but every time it takes my breath away. Spectacular. Right, we're gonna check in now and I'll see you on the other side of security. Just take a look at this place. It is quite spectacular. Now, I just realized something. I've never been on this side. This is the international side. Usually I'm flying over. It's just over there on the other side, the domestic area. That area has 4 areas, A, B, C, and D. Has a KFC, Burger King, has all Chinese food, has a sushi restaurant, has ice cream. It has a Papa John's pizza place. I had a nice, lovely Hawaiian pizza there twice before. So, you know, it's just got everything. It's got stores. You can buy little souvenirs, buy some flowers. You can find everything here. And this side just has E. I've never been here before. It is also huge, massive, and just insane. Possibly the greatest airport in the world. Lincoln, what do you think of the airport? It's good, yeah?
Like this.
Yeah. What do you think?
I think it's so beautiful.
So what? It's impressive. It's impressive.
It's impressive.
Impressive?
It's impressive.
Yeah, impressive.
It's impressive.
Right, we've just come to the lounge now, and I just got a huge plate full of baked beans, obviously because I'm British, and a curry, because I'm gonna get my revenge on Zhao for gassing me with that toilet smell. So I'm gonna be gassing her the whole flight after these have digested. Curry and beans. Possibly the worst meal to have.
The worst thing.
Before a long haul flight. I'm gonna gas the whole plane. Do you want some beans too, Limbo?
I want some bean kebab.
With it.
I want bomb beans.
Don't mention the B word, Limbo. Oh man, I just finished, Lincoln. I just finished. Look. Oh man. There's a storm brewing in my intestines right now.
Who said that?
God forbid anyone who sat next to me on the flight. Oh wow, look at this. They've gone outside. What in the hell? They've got like a little temple, outdoor temple area. Oh my God, this is hands down the best airport I've been to in my life. Pagodas in the middle of the airport. Man, I feel like I've been transported back to the Ming Dynasty. Lincoln came to have a look. Oh, it's a temple, Emma. 手2块，哇，好2块是不是？啊 ，can cool down a bit. What does it say?
I don't know. I already said it.
Say again.
刘方子。
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 刘方子。You say your. You do your Chinese poem for the camera. You ready? Ready, go.
哈密瓜，哈密瓜。
Not 哈密瓜, not 哈密瓜. Play your Chinese poem, the one you did with Mama. You ready? Go.
我长大了，上班以后很厉害，穿衣吃饭自己来，班级老对我爸妈，扫地擦着能力强，洗洗洁令我最棒，老师怕我好榜样。
Way-o. Good job. Right, we have now boarded and I've got champagne because I have a special announcement to make. Oh, firstly, where we're going. Obviously, we're going to England just for a quick Christmas trip. Now, I have a special announcement here in my hand. I have the Holy Grail, the greatest green card in the world. I have it. Chinese green card. It's time to celebrate. I finally got this thing. Wait, let me show you. Let me show you the other side. Hold on. Let me just cover my details, just so you can see that it's me. There you have it. There I am. That is, it's official, guys. I have a 10-year Chinese green card.
Oh, it's going up.
Hey. What the? Right, anyway, cheers to China.
Bye-bye to China.
To China. Okay there? Can be. Cheers. I will be doing an entire video explaining how I did it, when I got it, the whole process. That may be the next video, so stick around for that. Just look at it, it's just beautiful and shiny. It's beautiful. I'm flying with Etihad Airways. Looks pretty nice. We've got a full-on bed. Got a 7-hour flight to Abu Dhabi. Then we've got a 7-hour transfer, and then Abu Dhabi to Mank, England. And then we're going to spend some time with friends, family, enjoy Christmas, and then I'll be back in China. So see you then, guys. Hope you enjoyed this video. Go and check out Beijing Daxing International Airport. Great place. Highly recommend. Also highly recommend the Mumian Hotel, the airport hotel. If you've got any layovers, definitely book that one. I don't know what Lincoln's doing. Looks like he's laying his bed already. Right, anyway, that's the end of this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Signing off. Signing off.